In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Confluence. Creating a dashboard can be a powerful way to organize and present important information effectively for you and your team. So let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to the Confluence homepage. This is your main hub for all things Confluence, and it's where we're going to start our dashboard journey. Once you're here, I want you to look for the Create button. It's typically located on the left-hand side near the top of the page. Clicking this button will open a drop-down menu with several options. Now from this drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Page. Go ahead and select that. This tells Confluence that you're creating a new page. And for our purposes, this page will serve as the foundation of your new dashboard. Next, you'll be prompted to give your page a name. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of your dashboard, making it easy for both you and your colleagues to find and use. Once you've given your dashboard a name, take a look at the grid toolbar. You'll want to click on Layouts here. Doing this provides you with various column options that help structure your dashboard. Depending on your needs, you can opt for a single, double, or triple column layout, whatever best suits the information you plan to display. After that, integrate different elements using a simple keystroke. Just type the plus key to bring up the Elements menu. This menu provides a range of insertable items, including text, images, and widgets, which you can use to populate your dashboard. One particularly helpful element for dashboards is a table. Click on Insert a Table from the options presented. Tables are great for organizing data clearly and concisely. When you add a table, you'll have the option to choose how many rows and columns you need. This flexibility ensures that your table meets your specific data requirements. Once you've defined the size, you're ready to start adding content, whether it's textual data, charts, lists, or anything else. This is your time to customize and make the dashboard truly your own. Finally, after you've incorporated all your desired components and are satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to bring your dashboard to life by clicking on the Publish button. This button is usually found at the top right of the page. Clicking it saves and publishes your dashboard, making it accessible to your team. And there you have it! By following these steps, you've successfully created a dashboard in Confluence. Remember, dashboards are a dynamic tool, so don't hesitate to update and tweak them as your needs evolve. Thank you for joining this session, and enjoy putting your new dashboard to work.